Good afternoon, everyone. I am Joy Narciso from Philippines. I'm here to present to you about Qatar Sidramol. Qatar Sidramol is a global online crowdsourcing platform that connects artisans directly with consumers, offering a trusted and ethical commerce marketplace for handmade crafts. Global problems. Millions of artisans worldwide struggle with limited market access. Middlemen exploit creators, reducing fair earnings. Lack of platforms aligned with Islamic ethical trade practices. Consumers seeking authentic, ethical, and handmade products face limited choices. Our solutions: a digital marketplace that empowers artisans to showcase and sell directly. Built-in compliance with Islamic principles, ensuring fair, transparent, and ethical trade. Eliminates middlemen, giving artisans fair pricing and consumers authentic quality. Unique value proposition. First, global ethical e-commerce hub combining handmade crafts and Sharia compliance. Fair trade ecosystem ensuring artisans financial independence. Cultural diversity. Products sourced from artisans worldwide. Builds trust through ethical transparency and co-engagement. Project classification. Category: e-commerce, ethical trade, crowdsourcing. Scope: global reach, artisan-focused, community-driven. Impact: social entrepreneurship, cultural preservation, and economic empowerment. Market opportunity. Target: global handmade crafts market valued at $1 plus trillion by 2030. Products: rising demand for authentic, sustainable, and ethical products. Consumer markets: strong appeal in Muslim-majority countries and ethical consumer market in the West. Revenue model: commission per sale, subscription for premium artisan stores, and advertising. Project growth: break even within 2 to 3 years. Scalability: expansion into lifestyle, fashion, and home decor markets. Risk assessment: market competition from large e-commerce platforms. Logistics challenges for global deliveries. Risk of counterfeit products. Mitigation: strong verification system, partnerships with trusted logistics providers, and robust quality assurance. These are the technology stack: front-end, back-end, database, payments, Sharia-compliant fintech solutions, and blockchain for transactions. Security: end-to-end encryption, fraud detection systems. Legal and regulatory: compliance with international e-commerce laws, integration of Sharia-compliant financial rules, trademark, copyright, and fair trade certification. Competitive advantage: ethical and Sharia compliance differentiates from Amazon. Global artisan focus, not mass production. Trust-based model ensuring authenticity and fair trade. Stability: sustainable business model with diverse revenue streams. Global artisan partnerships reduce dependency on a single region. Built-in community governance for a long-term trust. Exit strategy: IPO 7 to 10 years. Strategic acquisition by global e-commerce or ethical trade companies. Option for regional franchise models. Resources requirements: initial funding $5 to $10 million for platform development, marketing, and operations. Partnerships: logistics, Sharia-compliant banks, NGOs supporting artisans. Human resources: tech team, compliance officers, community managers. Join us in building the world's first global Sharia-compliant artisan marketplace. Be part of a movement that promotes fair trade. Qatar Sidramol.